Okay, so let's continue. So next is a wheelchair. So also there is not such an easy thing. There is a dispute among the poskim whether a person who cannot walk is permitted to go outdoors with a wheelchair, which he himself pushes by turning the wheels. So again, the person cannot walk completely. Okay. Some poskim rule that the wheelchair is similar to the cane and can be considered a substitute limb for the person, which is logically, based on what we said, makes sense. So for that person, the walking cane, it needed to go around. For the other guy, the crouches, and for this person is a wheelchair, right? And he uses his own power. Others, however, maintain that the wheelchair differs from the cane in this regard because wherever a person actually walks with a cane and uses it in a fashion of a limb, he merely sits in a wheelchair and it is transported along with it. So okay, so this the second opinion said that this walking cane is a little different, or they say a lot little different. Meaning what that in some sense it is it's like a limb. So meaning he's leaning on it. So he's like same thing. When you walk, you lean on your foot. All your weight is on that foot. So same in some sense, same as a cane. So it helps you. And the wheelchair, person is not using to lean it, right? To use it as a regular limbs, but also only sits in it and being transported with it. Okay, so which is which opinion is logical? Both of them very logical. By wheeling the chair, he transport it 4 cubits in the public domain, right? So meaning that he transport the wheelchair itself. One should consult halachic authorities concerning this matter, and also concerning the matter of the whether it can have Gentile push the wheelchair, right? So for example, a person has a home attendant. So in my shul, unfortunately, they I don't know I said it not, but they start installing the lift. So what is the lift? We have a one flight of stairs. So first when you come, it's like two steps, I think. So they have a ramp. That's easy. There is like a foldable ramp for a wheelchair. There is no problem. But when you go inside, so there is a flight of stairs which is maybe 6 steps. I don't know, 5-6 steps, which is, if a person cannot walk, that's mission impossible. So they install the lift, the person goes with a wheelchair on this platform, and it like elevator, right? So like a lift elevator, so it elevates you to that level. So very special. But I asked Rabbi, when I saw Rabbi, but Shabbos, no? He said, yeah, non-Jew is going to operate. Okay. So he said, no, it is, he started telling me you see, when a person does not know halacha, right, and he's like a simpleton, and you tell him something, he said, yeah, that makes sense, But when you know for sure, it's not allowed, right, by nobody's opinion, but they try to push it, and right. So what can you do? Rabbi Rubenschlitt that's said recently about, recently to me about this case when unfortunately the Beis Din, unfortunately not the most prominent Beis Din, but with the power, so they allow, I think, people to get married, right? And he's a Kohen and she's a convert. So how you allow the Kohen and the convert to marry? They say no, because first her parents got converted with reform conversion, and then they converted normally. I think she was born, this girl, and then converted normally, and that's it, right? So maybe, right, so they say maybe according to some opinion, this reform court is actually the reform based in, I don't know, whatever they call it, based in, and reform does not sound like in one sentence, but I don't know, whatever the court is who converted. Maybe according to some opinion it is okay, right? But there were two men and a woman, but on Shabbos and all other things, of course, it was not okay. But these people, they decided, say, yeah, maybe according to somebody's opinion, it is. So basically we have a doubt, and plus in the family of this guy, there was one relative that was not observant, and maybe they're not a kohanim, maybe they're halal and stuff like that. But this guy, he wants to be a kohen, he wants to give blessings. You understand? So he wants to give blessing, and he wants to be married to this girl, which is disgusting. I mean, maybe she's a good girl, but disgusting. Because of these rabbis. You understand? So, and many people, as Rabbi Rubin explained, many people started screaming foul, how can you do that, twist the Torah law in everybody's face, okay. So same is here, but this guy, good, I think good for him, but he actually died. This person, because of whom they built this whole the whole operation. I'm not sure how many thousands of dollars it cost them. 10,000, I don't know. These things cost a lot of money. And plus, you need the city inspection. But he died, Baruch Hashem. Good for him, because a lot of Hilchas Shabbos he promoted. He's coming to show. Okay. So next one, reflectors. Number of poskim permit wearing reflectors outdoors at night to ensure that one is seen by passing cars. So actually it was a law, and all of Rabbanim to sign up. I think in the Monsey area some time ago, because it was dangerous. Few people got hit by a car. So I live in a city. There is, as I said, there is always street lights. There is no problem. You walk for 3 hours, 4 hours, you always get a street light, and everything is lit. But you go to the suburbs, to Lakewood, to Monsey, to other areas. It's not such easy thing. It's not. People have to walk. So if they want to go to specific shul, further away from their house, and they have huge properties. We have exactly zero property, everything together. But wherever they live, they have a huge or bigger property. So meaning that you have to walk further. They have to walk along the roads, and roads are not lit. There's no street lights. So many people got hit. I'm not sure how many people died, but people got hit, right? Because of course it's more convenient to work, not on the ground, but actually on a pavement. And that's why they said that you have to work with these reflectors. So you put it on top of the suit. Okay, so that's because for safety. So yeah, so they actually allowed.